Pasacao, Camarines Sur. School Head, DNA O. Rabihe. Dr. Lorenzo P. Siga Memorial High School, Corps and Staff, Eugene Joseph M. Lopez, Corps Commander, Ronel Pinheiro, Vice Corps Commander, Jeff Reindel Cervantes, Corps S1, Rain Diaz, Corps S2, Abraham Arozo, Corps S3, Doven P. Malingkit, Corps S4, Major Leader, Patricia Jane C. Ama, Band Leader, Jesse Ray Bartolome, Company Commander, Angel B. Milan, Company EXO, Diana Rose E. Ransas, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Chino E. Paturico, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Hanika R. Ana, C-18 Facilitator, Julian N. Velasco, and Advisor, Adrian P. A. Nieves, Agents Coordinator, Camille Ann Palmaria, and Golden C. Abacay, Agents Trainer, Marion S. Campo, C-18 Trainer, Iris P. M. Macasinal. Entry number 24, Dr. Lorenzo P. Ziga, Memorial High School, Malobo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 24, Dr. Lorenzo P. Ziga, Memorial High School from Pasacao, Camarines Sur.